Vivo V30 Pro, the high-end flagship from the V series. Vivo is gearing up for the V30. Vivo V30 Pro, the high-end flagship from the V series. Vivo is gearing up for the V30 Pro smartphone to launch in the very near future. It will be the high-end flagship smartphone of the series with the most mind-blowing features and technology. The all-new Vivo's V30 Pro is expected to come out with the most amazing and powerful MediaTek MT6893 Dimensity 1300 5G chipset that supports 5G connectivity. With a 2.3 GHz octa-core CPU, you will have the next level of performance. This Vivo V30 Pro's giant RAM of 12 GB means there is not even a single chance of lagging when running multiple applications. There is no confirmation yet whether the Vivo V30 Pro will offer any dedicated memory card slots or not, but yes, it has massive internal storage of 256 GB to store a lot in the future. The impressive fact about the Vivo V30 Pro is the enormous 6.7-inch AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display. With slightly curved edges, you will have a high resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. There is also the option of HDR10+ and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The upcoming Vivo's V30 Pro is about to change the whole photography experience as it carries a triple camera system of 108MP plus 8MP plus 2MP sensors at the back and a 44MP selfie sensor on the front, along with an LED flash. The V30 Pro's a large 5000 mAh battery pack that will be enough to spend the whole day on a single charge. Supporting the fast charging of 66W, it will fill itself up to 50% in just 19 minutes. With the launch of the V30 Pro by Vivo, all the smartphone brands, including Samsung, will face tough competition in the market. Processor. CPU, 2.3 GHz octa-core. Chipset. MediaTek MT6893 Dimensity 1300 5G. GPU. Mali G77MP9. Display. Technology. AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, multi-touch.